Peace. Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. A compliment of the season. How are you guys doing? I want you guys to please check out this beautiful low maintenance short natural haircut for black women. You know, this is a season of celebration and so many parties out there. And we really want to look our best in these parties. So we have carefully selected about 15 short natural haircuts for you to consider on your next big job journey. One thing about the styles is that they will take many years off your age, and these are hairstyles that are low maintenance. You know, we older women we want a low maintenance short natural haircut that is simple to style, and this style you can see how they are quick and easy to achieve. And for you to achieve this beautiful style, please make sure the two sides are lower, leaving a longer hair on the crown, because this hair will really upgrade your look this season. So if you're looking for unique ways to really style your natural hair, this video today will provide many options, including the Pixies, including the teeny Winnie Afros, and the Tapered, that will help you to look your best when it comes to short natural hair. And one thing about the styles today is that they are hairstyles you can flaunt all year long. You can see how this hairstyle looks so beautiful, and it's a great idea for women that really want a low maintenance style with a very short hair. So if you want a haircut that will really take many years off your age, or you want a style that is inspiring for black women, I would like you to please watch this video to the end. Just embrace the beauty of short natural haircut with these beautiful styling ideas we have for you, and care tips designed for the type of your hair, and learn how you can also master the wash and goes on how you can take care of your natural haircut. I really want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome to Winnie Styles, and see you guys in my next upload.